How to download Lost Light game on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to install a realistic survival shooter game, The Lost Light, then it is available officially on the Play Store and it's easy to install. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to stable internet and launch open your Play Store. In the search bar at the bottom center, type in Lost Light. Once you look for this application that says Exceptional Global at the top of the screen, tap on the Install button. Now wait for the application to download and install on your device, which will take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once the application installs, you can start playing it on your Android device, and that's it. All you need to do is to wait for the download to complete. Download additional resources after you open up the app and you'll be ready to play. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.